Most people, whenever they purchase an in-ear monitoring system, they use it for what it's marketed for. They use it for drums, guitar, bass, piano, whatever they're playing, they use it so it's a monitor, so they could hear what's going on in the church or in the band, whatever they are playing, wherever they are playing, that's what they use it for. But I am going to be using this for the live stream setup, the series that I've been doing. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to get audio to the computer, good audio, with this in-ear monitoring system. The board that we have at that church is a wireless Ethernet board, not wireless, not wireless. It's ran by Ethernet. So the main snake board is in the back of the church. Obviously, I don't want to be set up in the back of the church whenever I am operating the whole production. So what I'm going to do is use this to wirelessly transmit my audio feed with effects, with everything that I need, with this into my computer, and then I will have sound. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys how to do that, but today what I'm going to be doing is unboxing these X-Vive monitoring systems, telling you guys a little bit that I know about it. They already have 3 of these over there because the drummer, the bass player, and the guitarist do use one of these. But I am going to be using it for, like I said, a live stream and getting the audio from the back of the church all the way to the front of the church. So with that, let's get to unboxing this thing. It was $229 on Amazon. They work amazing from what I hear. So it's going to be interesting to see how I could get effects and everything into this in-ear monitoring system, into my computer to get good audio for a live stream. So with saying all that, let's get to unboxing this and showing you what it's all about. All right, so just open the box. Man, it was simple. I know it's probably hard to believe, but I did not open this before. I mean, the box, pretty awesome. So this is it, just 2 items right here. As you see, you got the receiver and then the transmitter that goes into the board. Here's the direction, the book that it comes with. I hope that light is not too bright, but here's all your directions, how to do stuff. And that's actually an advertisement as well. So look at that, it comes with a sticker. So the next thing I'm going to do is just obviously unbox it, take it out, take this out, come back to that. It feels kind of heavy down here. Let's see what's down here. Look at that. Okay, that is everything. As you can see, that's everything in the box, everything in this. So as you see, this is just an adapter. So if you need to use this, you can adapt it, which is pretty nice. That came with it. Comes with a charger. Let me pull out the charger. I think it's a micro USB. It'd be nice. I wish it was a USB-C, but it is micro. Yep, it's micro. And from what the directions say, this will last 5 hours of continuous use. 5 hours. The band members that do use this, church service is only 2 hours. Obviously they have no problem with it. And here is this. See if I can get this right. Had that on there. And here's this item. So it comes with the receiver and it comes with the transmitter. We're going to talk about those in just a second. I really have not that much to say about them other than they work good, but it also comes with a pouch to put everything in. It has a little X-Vive logo on it. I hope you could see that. It's cool, you could just put it in there and then you're good to go and you're done. So with that, I'm not going to hook it up today, but I wanted to just do an unboxing of these to show you how small they are. Look at my hands and look at the receiver and the transmitter. It's really awesome. They sound good from what they tell me. They look good. I like how small they are. I like how it looks. It looks, as my boss would say, it has some swag to it. Honestly, for the price, you cannot beat this setup. It's just awesome. Not my next video, but I do have a video coming up. I'm gonna show you guys how I hook it up, how I get it running to my computer. all of that I'm gonna show you. I will have a video coming up explaining how I do everything with my live stream. And obviously in that video, I will show you how it sounds coming from the board and how good it sounds. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys this product. I'm sure there's a million videos out there, but I wanted to show you guys this product in a live streaming perspective and what I'm going to be doing. So make sure you stick around for the video where I hook these up to the live streaming setup that we have over there and get it going. And you guys are going to be really impressed of how these things are going to be used for the live stream. So with saying that, thanks for watching. Make sure you have a good day. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. And yeah, see you in the next one.